keg, all right?
We're at Universal, day 2 of our adventure. First time at Universal?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I am.
The moving walkway.
Adventure. I do have 2 Hawaiian shirts in the closet.
Do you know where they are?
Yes, they're hanging up. They made the cut. You want me to start wearing Hawaiian gear?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I can arrange it.
No.
Oh.
Backwater bar.
Yeah. Hope it's not like toilet water. Thanks. Alright, Dr. Susan, this is like your speed of rides here. That little people trail, yeah.
I'll ride that roller coaster.
And we saw him, the cat in the
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Pissed off fish.
Lots of fun if you wish. I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good friend that I know.
This fish
Then our mother
very
came
paranoid.
in and said to us,
Yeah, we're here. We're in Universal.
Buzzing
Breaking the rules.
You much trouble.
C is for cookie.
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for the Circus McGurkus Big Top. And D, that's a breeze. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with V? Like Data or David or Dingus McGee? E is for everyone under the sun. G is for green. But we'll get to that. You can do it. Say, hip, hip, hooray! Party for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake.
Bye-bye.
I can go on.
Bye-bye. Lost continent. So it's upside down, it says.
I don't want to do anything.
Trying to figure out what this is about. Going into Hogsmeade. Wow.
That's a flying.
Say it.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Dale, claro. I haven't hit that point yet.
Oh, this is at the Discovery Center. Would you like to tell everyone what I did?
So, Arty just shocked us to death and made us laugh till we cried. He was ordering a bacon cheeseburger and meant to say no combo, but he said no combo.
And that's how I got kicked out of Universal Studios. Say it.
Welcome to Jurassic
Right? Dale, claro.
Porta potties.
Go on then.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Alright, that's what we just came off of. See if there's a boat coming down anytime soon. I hear people screaming. There it comes. There we go. It doesn't go straight down. See, it comes straight and Zelton comes down. Suzi's first time on Ripsaw Falls. How do you feel? We'll interview her afterwards. You look wet. You just going on a ride?
I
Did you enjoy it?
did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nola, what'd you say? I'm glad they updated the computers. I think last time I was here, they still had 2 computers. They put flat screen on it, so. What'd you say? Are you thinking about doing this right?
No.
That's right. I'm always 104%. Right, Boo? Are you already spinning it?
Yeah.
We're gonna get nauseous. You just chugged 2 beers. No. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's slow it.
Are you fucking shitting me?
Yeah, but there's no front rows like line or anything on it.
And they probably don't let you wait for it.
Alright, we leave Islands of Adventure.
Let's walk through this store with these Hawaiian shirts.
Sure. Suzi's gonna buy me every Hawaiian shirt they have here.
You should definitely need the pineapple one.
Ooh, upside down pineapple?
These.
Ooh, look at those.
These. Or those.
Ooh. We are leaving Islands of Adventure. Ooh, you can put mail your mail so it's
You mail
postmarked.
something.
We're gonna get dinner. We're gonna actually go out
Yeah.
for the first time ever as an adult. City Walk.
I say married couple.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna beat her in mini golf. She stink.
I stink.
In mini golf.
Oh. I thought you were telling me I personally stink.
Oh no, not today.
So what's the chocolate emporium?
I think it's like Charlie, like a Willy Wonka's like chocolate, like candy store or something like that.
Sometimes I see kind of.
Yeah. You gonna stay up to 3 o'clock in the morning disco?
We shall see.
don't get the Disney budget. Yeah, Universal. Oh.
That was a spark.
Universal don't get the.
They're so
Oh
smart.
God, they don't have the Disney budget. There's no Disney budget. Oh. It's like Eric having sex. A few spurts, very anticlimactic at the end of the day. My lovely wife beat me for the first time in miniature golf, and I'm not sure how I feel about this.
I got 46.
46 to 50. She beat me by for 4 strokes.
50. Woo woo! Look at this girl right here.
No, they did. We've played miniature golf and real golf total of 4 times. I've won mini golf twice and regular golf once. Congratulations, alright? This golf course sucked.
No, it didn't. You enjoyed it.
Rematch Tuesday night in Fort.
You
Rematch.
just think it sucked because you lost.
Rematch Tuesday night in Fort Myers at my home court at the
Okay.
Pirate Place.
Yep, where I got in the fight.
Where you were gonna fight those Hispanic family.
Yep.
I don't know, it's from Minnesota. I don't know.
That could technically be my home court now too.
Okay, rematch Tuesday.
Alright.
Spring break 2019 is this guy's.
Time for bed. This is the latest we've stayed out in a long time.
Why, you tired?
Yeah, Wet mom.
World, as Suzi wet mop, it is 11 o'clock. She just beat me in mini golf and now she's throwing the towel in.
I accomplished my day.
What was your day?
Beating you at miniature golf.
She's been waiting for this moment for a year and a half.
I got burns today.
The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.